constructing parallel lines by folding.
How do you construct a line parallel to a given line through a given point by folding?
How would you check whether two lines are parallel? One way is to draw a transversal and compare corresponding angles. You can also use this idea to construct a pair of parallel lines. So what does that say? If we have two lines and we wish to check to see if they are parallel, we can draw a transversal and compare corresponding angles. If those two are the same, then the lines are parallel. We're going to use that in our paper folding. So step one, we'll draw a line and place a point above. Now we want to construct a line through this point parallel to that line. Well, let's see. If we were to fold the paper to construct a perpendicular, step two, there's my point, and I've lined up the lines. So this, I folded the line on top of itself, passing through the point, and I have a perpendicular. Next, if I can get a perpendicular through here, we'll have a perpendicular to the perpendicular, and they should be parallel. So how do I do a perpendicular through here? We fold the line on top of itself and crease. This line is perpendicular to this line, and therefore these two are parallel.